Hello, mathematicians. Today we're going to be talking about interpreting graphs. So our learning target today is we will learn to analyze and interpret graphs. Our performance of understanding by the end of this lesson, we should be able to analyze graphs, interpret scales, and solve problems using information on a graph. Success criteria, we can analyze and interpret graphs to solve problems. So we're going to take a look at a couple pictures. We're going to notice and observe the pictures. It's going to be pretty quick, but I want you to pay attention to some of the details that are in the graph. So what do you notice and what do you wonder? So for our first graph, we want to make as many true math statements as you can. So what do you notice? I'm going to give you a second to just observe the numbers, the details on the side. So hopefully you notice, first of all, the number of students on the bottom. There's only 10 students that are, I don't know, maybe voting, right? So what kind of statements can we make out of with those 10 students? Then we also have our favorite flavor of ice cream. So they have 3 flavors: chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla. And one true math statement that I can make is that only 6 students like vanilla as their favorite flavor, right? It's a true statement. It's shown here on my graph. And then if we move on, maybe strawberry, right, had less votes than vanilla because there was only 3 students. So I look at where my bar graph stops, and strawberry stops at 3 students. Then chocolate, where do you think that one stops? Take a look. Maybe drag your finger down to the number that matches or where it lines up. Let me know. So looking at chocolate, chocolate stops at 8. Chocolate has the most votes with 8 students saying that it is their favorite flavor of ice cream. So hopefully with observing this graph, you all are able to find important details about this graph. Tomorrow with your teacher, you're going to practice using some different graphs and make some different observations. So come ready with questions and let me know if there was something that didn't make sense to you. Good luck.